My dear children, in this module we are going to have a detailed description about the elements of structured query language. Now tell me, what are the elements of structured query language? Yes, it is literal, then data types, then null and comments. What do you mean by literals? As I said earlier, literals are values, just values. It means fixed value or constant value. It may be of a character, numeric or date time type. Character and date time literals are always in single quotation marks, whereas numeric literals must be without single quotation mark. Look at the various examples given here. Virat is a combination of characters which are enclosed in single quote. Look at the value 12. It is a numeral, so there is no need of quotes. Look at the next value 12.56. It is also a numeric literal, so there is no need of any quotation mark. Look at the last example. It is a date value. It is having a quotation mark. So, what is the thing we have to understand? For characters and date and time values, we need to put quotation mark. For numerals, there is no need of any single quotations. The date time values are always in the format of YYY, which indicates year. Then MM indicates month. DD indicates date. It should be in year, month, date format. For time, it should be hours, minutes and seconds. We are not supposed to change the format of date and time values. So, how to write 4/20/2018 in MySQL? 2018-04-20 within single quotes. Special characters like quotes are always written be preceding by backslash. For example, if you want to store a value as Tom's cat, here a special symbol used as quote, a single quote. Then it should be written as Tom backslash single quote yes, then cat. Why the single quote has to be preceded with a backslash? Because single quotes are normally used in characters, so the compiler get confusion. That is, here the single quote may be for a character also. So that to avoid the confusion for a compiler, we need to give a backslash for single quote. I think you are all clear about what is literal. Literal is a fixed or a constant value only that can be entered as a record. Coming to the data types. The data types are mainly classified into 3 in MySQL. The first one, numerals, second one, string, and the third one is date and time. First one, we need to discuss about numeric data type. Within that, we are having many types of data types. Int, tiny int, small int, medium int, big int, float, double and decimal. Even though we are having these many data types, we will only use int and decimal. The first one and the last one only we are going to use in our SQL. What does int indicates? A number without decimal point. It can store up to 11 digits. 11 digit number can be stored in int. It may be either positive or negative. The only thing we should have to remember while we are using int is we are not supposed to include any decimal points. And while we are using a decimal, what is the use? It is used to store exact numeric value with the preserve exact precisions. That is nothing but a number with a decimal point. Decimal of p comma d. P significant. P is the number of digits, that is 0 to 65, and D represents number of digits after decimal, that is 0 to 30 we can include. For example, if you are giving decimal of 6 comma 2, that means 4 digit before decimal and 2 digit after decimal. Maximum will be 9999.99. There should be only 6 digits for a number, and after decimal point we can include only 2. That is the thing. And what will be the minimum of a decimal point? 0.0 or 1.3, 1.4, that also we can include for 6 comma 2. Let me ask a question. Find the answer in your mind. If you are giving decimal of 5 comma 3, what will be the maximum number we can give? Decimal of 5 comma 3. Please tell me the answer while we are in our Zoom meeting. Okay, then next one, date and time types. For giving date and time values, we need to use only date data type. Date. Other data types like date time, timestamp, time, year of, all these things are available. We will only use date of. A date in the format YYYYMMDD between 1001 to 9999 1231. In Oracle, date format is DDMON, that is the 3 characters of month like Jan, Feb, March, April, like that you have to give in Oracle. But we need to study only the SQL, so that we have to remember only about date. The format is year, month and date. That should be included in single quote. So we need to use date data type for giving date values in a column. My dear children, I think you are all clear about the 3 things in data types, that is number data type, decimal data type and time data type. That is the second element of SQL elements. The first element we studied about. What is the first element? Yes, it is the literal. Then we studied about numeric data types. Then we studied about date and type. Then in the upcoming module, we are going to discuss the string data type, the difference between char and varchar, etc. Thank you.